Nigeria, we're just looking like, see, personally, I'm even shocked. Like, what's even going on? Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome. My name is Lydia Meggison, and on this channel we do beauty videos, vlogs, lifestyle videos, and all of that good stuff, totally educating you. So if this is not your first time stopping by, welcome back. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for commenting. All that good stuff. You guys give me the strength to continue. You know what I mean. I love you guys so much. I love you, all the Meggison family. You know how we do over here, brother and sister. So if this is your first time and you would like to join the Meggison family, just click that subscribe button. Thank you very much. Like this video now, comment your thoughts during the course of the video when you're watching. If you have any thoughts, you can leave your comments. If you have any suggestions, you can leave it down below. Any suggestions of video ideas that you like to see, you can just leave it down below, and you can also watch my other videos. And once again, welcome and thank you for clicking my thumbnail. I love you guys. So today on this video we're going to be talking about 5 top side hustles that you can do with no capital at all, just you and you alone. Yes guys, I know a lot is happening in the background. In my previous videos I didn't have this background. This is a new background and I love it. I just switched things up a bit and created this, so I hope you guys like it. So we're just going to get right into it. So number 1 of the top 5 side hustles you can do here in Nigeria without no capital is drumroll, gift making. Yeah. I know that it sounds small, it sounds little, but trust me, it is a lot. It is, and I don't mean like the work and all of that. Yes, there is the work there, but there's money in gift making. So during the Valentine period, during the Christmas period, people made hampers, people made gift baskets, people made gift boxes for their loved ones, for their co-workers, and all of that. And I just want to tell you that people made money from these things. The way the economy is going these days, the way everything is just going, everything is just like, Nigeria, we're just looking like, see, personally, I'm even shocked. Like, what's even going on? How are we going to continue like this? If you have a 9 to 5 and you're considering having something on the side, this video is for you. Keep on watching. So as I was saying, gift making, what you do is that when people come to you to make gift baskets or gift boxes for them, you just curate them, go to the market, buy these things. After they've paid, you have like a list of things that you post. You tell people that, okay, yes, this is what you can get for them. Or if they have any suggestions of things that they want, then you create a price list, alongside the list of things that you have listed that you can provide. You add your profits and all of that. You just do you. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell button so you can get notified on when I post. So moving on, gift making is a money making machine. That's what I'm just trying to say. It's a side hustle that is good. It is good. So moving on to number 2 is being a fitness and a diet coach. You see, in this age of like 2021, like even 2020, during the pandemic, people were trying to keep fit and all of that. So you can make money in being someone's coach, telling the person what to eat, how to work out, educating the person, helping the person to just achieve their fitness goals. Do you understand what I'm saying? Nobody wants to have football, nobody wants to have extra fat just lying around on their body. So when people come to you, you would educate them, and you get paid to do that. Even before you even start looking for, before clients start coming to you, you can start by doing your own, or even just saying that I do this, I do that, and people will come to you. It doesn't have to be like all day long. You can be a you can have a 9 to 5 job and still do this on the weekends. Yes, most people that have 9 to 5 job work out on Saturdays and Sundays, so you can just assist them with that even if you have a 9-to-5 job. So that is why it is called a side hustle. So number 3 is freelancing. Like, this one is even just pure gold, because you don't even have to stress. If you have a skill, you can start freelancing. Freelancing is just you using your skills to make some money. Like, is you using your skills to make some money, in the sense that if you have you can freelance as a makeup artist, you can freelance as a hairstylist. I know these are all beauty stuff that I'm talking about, but you can freelance. If any skill you have, you can freelance as that. Maybe a videographer, a photographer, and stuff like that. You know what you're capable of giving to get paid. Do you understand what I'm saying? So you can freelance with any skill that you have already. You don't need to spend money again to start that side hustle business, all of that. So moving on to number 4, drop shipping. Drop shipping is like drop shipping is mind-blowing. It is crazy. Okay, I watched a video here on YouTube where a girl was talking about her journey in 2020, where she made 2 million naira from drop shipping alone. Jesus Christ, just imagine. If you don't know what drop shipping is, I'm going to tell you, don't be lost. Drop shipping is where you post pictures of wholesalers, or pictures of distributors, pictures of people that have bulk, or they have stores, or they have all these things already in their stores or in their warehouses, and you get clients to order from you that you don't have them with you. So when they order, you go to, as they're giving you the money, you go to those you contact the wholesalers, the distributors, and people that already have this stuff. Then you buy from them. Meanwhile, you'd have added your own profit, so you buy from them, then send it to them, or give it to the person that has ordered from you. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. That's simply what drop shipping is. You don't have to use your own money to buy stuff. People drop ship clothes, bags, shoes. You can drop ship basically anything that is being sold by someone that has all these things in store. So you just need to know you and know what you're capable of, and just start posting and start making money. Get what I mean? So moving on to the last but not the least, social media management. God, see, if you go on Instagram and you search social media manager or content strategist, all this stuff, you see people that have it in their bio. They are more than 500, but these people are still making their money. It just goes to show that people are looking for these things every day. I mean, brands are looking for someone to manage their social media accounts. People are looking to for people to manage their social media accounts and all of that. So if you have the skills, if you have the energy, if you have all of that stuff, you can just reach out to people. If you know that, okay, yes, I'm doing very well with my own business, with my own page. It doesn't have to be a business page. If you are doing very well with your own page, you know how to plan, strategize, post, and all of that. You just apply for those jobs. Just get the money, get the money, get the money. You apply for those jobs because people are making money. That's what I just want to say. People are making money. A lady said she makes 600,000 naira from just social media management alone. Hey God, oh, people are making money. That's what I just want to say. So that's what social media management is. You handle people's page and they pay you to do so. Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, depends on how you what's it called, depends on whatever it is that they have to give you to do. So apply for those jobs and start making money in 2021, because time is waiting for nobody. Money has to be made. Guys, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for staying till the end of this video. You can comment 3 hearts for me to know that you stayed to the end of this video. I love you guys. Thank you for always coming back. And if you want me to do a part 2 with more, because I didn't want this video to be long at all, if you want me to do a part 2 with more tips, more side hustles, because I have like a whole lot of them here. If you want a part 2, please just comment down below and I will do the part 2 video. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Bye.